we are at the Talavagale town right now, and we are heading to that Haritaganda campsite. We need to take the relevant permission from that Agarapathana police station. So we have to go there and take the permissions, and we need to provide our national identity card numbers, as they say. Let's go there and see. And so when we talk about the Talavagale town, so here we can see this is the way that comes from Hatton to Nuwara. This is Hatton side and this is Nuwara side. And so this is the vehicle for our adventure today. Sorry.
ඇති නේ අර අයකව එකක් තියෙනවා ගුවනේ. ඔව්. ට්‍රෙන්ඩ් එකට දෙක එළියට ගහන්න එක්කෝනේ. ඔව් යන්න නැති.
Built for any climb. Engine roaring, gears in sync, ready to explore. Off-road champion, let's conquer more. Mucker, with power to spare, through mud, rocks and trails, takes us anywhere. Mucker, off-road mighty king, in a 1980 Jeep, adventure's everything. Four-wheel drive, unstoppable might, suspension strong through day and night. Leaf springs bouncing, traction so tight. Mucker's got the guts to tackle any height. Oh, mucker, with power to spare, through mud, rocks and trails, takes us anywhere. Mucker, off-road mighty king, in a 1980 Jeep, adventure's everything. Mucker Jeep, in every winding path, you lead through mist and rain, you fulfill
Okay, it's kind of raining here. We are done with making 110 and need to go to take some water now. We decided to wait until 30 minutes until we start cooking. So now it's 4 p.m. and we'll be looking until 4:30 the rain goes out or not. Now we have one issue. So there's a couple who has camped there. So you can see there's a green tent, and they have come before we come here, and they have choose the most far camping spot also. Like, we are kind of disturbing them right now, but nothing we can do because we also need to choose a place. Okay, now I'm going to find out. The water point is a little bit far away from our place. Now we have installed our tents. Now the thing is, it's so hard to bring water every time. Now I need to go and check out where is that water point. Wait, go and check out whether we can bring the cab to this water point, so it will be easier. But okay, found out. See, this is the water point. Can we bring the cab here? Yes, of course we can bring. This water point, and this is the route. Can we bring the cab? Let's check out. We can bring like this. See this way. This way is clear. This way is clear. So final checking. All the way is clear. This is a very clear place that we can cook easily. Okay. Yes, of course, because we came from this way, and we went this way. Then absolutely we can go this way as well. Yes. Okay, let's go and bring the cab here.